Okay, guys, we are back. We are back. We are back. So, the next thing is we said we are adding the product pictures. So, the first thing is to add a structure like this. Add a structure, then you can add um, an image. Let me see. Let's add an image this way. I don't even know. Let me not add an image. Let me add for two images. Delete inner section like this. Inner section like this. Then let me see if I can add another inner section. So we have two inner sections. So I'll be adding the image widgets. One. Let me just copy. Hey. Let me see if I can paste. Let me paste again. Rather than, I hope you guys understand why I'm doing this. Paste. Instead of me going back, dragging and dropping the image widgets, I'm just copying from the one I dragged and dropped. So now I'll be adding the images. So the first image I'll be adding here, I'll click on this pen, then come to this choose image. I think I should have the images in my library. Okay. I have the images. I have this. I'll be adding this first. Insert media. Let me see if I can remove this. Let me remove this first. No. So to go back, whatever it is you do, you can just use the normal Control Z. So let me add another picture here. Let me add here first. I think I have the way I want to arrange it. Let me add this. Then let me add the last one. I hope you guys should be familiar with the processes of adding images by now. So that's why I'm being fast and quick with this. So let me look for an image to add here. Products image. Let me look if I can get an image to add. Okay, I can get an image to add, or better still, let me add a sliding carousel to show that the bag comes in different colors. Delete. Then let me add a carousel. Okay, the type carousel, image carousel like this. So I'll be adding the different colors of the bag. I think I already have one uploaded. Let me upload the rest of the colors. Okay, this is one here. This is black. This is red. This is gray or hash. Open. So I'm adding these four colors: blue, black, red, and gray. So once you have them ticked like this, 1 2 3 4, I have 4 ticked. Once you have them ticked like this, then click on create gallery down here. Follow my mouse, create gallery, then you insert gallery like this. The images should be added by now. as you can see, so I know somebody is wondering why is it tiny. That is not a problem. Large, change it to large first, change it to large, then slide to show, change it to 1. Can you see that, guys? Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that, guys? Can you see that? Can you see that? So the slide speed, I already showed us how to do that. So you go to additional option like this, autoplay speed, change to 1000. If that 1000 is too fast, slide effect, let's see, fade, no, slide, animation effect, let's use 1000. It's okay this way. 1000, 1000, 1000, 1000. So I think this one should be, it's okay this way, it's okay this way, it's okay, it's okay. So now you can say autoplay, yes, pause on hover, that is if anybody moves their mouse on these images, should it stop? No, I want it to keep moving. Pause on interaction, no, I want it to keep moving. So that's it, that's it, that's it, that's it, that's it. So this I want it to be only arrows, only arrows. So guys, as you can see, so far let's just save, let's save it, let's just save it. So you can view what we've done so far like this. You can see, you can see, you can see, guys. You can see. So let's go back to the editing. So what next do we have on our outline? We are on the 11th vital outline now, which is customers, testimonials, and review. If you have any, you can add that to it, but if you don't have, you can just keep it, but it goes a long way as well. But in this case, I do not have any customers review to add, but I'll show you something you can do. Add the structure this way. Let it be 2-column structure like this. Now here we are adding like customers review, then here we'll be adding something like telling them we've sold so amount of bags so far. So how do we do that? Come to this element here, you can type review, let's see if it's going to come out. Yeah, star rating, can you see it? Let's drag and drop this way, star rating. Then we can have let me center align it. Then we can have heading. Let's say heading like this. We can call this customers review. Center align it. Then we can just quickly edit the text on star. This black, I need this black. It's not in plain black, so I didn't mean it's a plain black. Now just drag and drop to the black edge. It's not a complete black, rather not a plain black, it's not a complete black. Customers review, star, 5 stars. So rating scale, let's say it's 4.5. Let's not make it 4.5 icon in the code. Let's see. Title. Oh, it even has a title. No, let's leave it that way. You can actually type the customer's review here. Can you see it? Can you see it? You can actually type it there. Let me remove this. Okay, let me leave it. You guys can play around it. Do your own thing. Do your own thing. Let me remove it. So let me look for a way to bold in these stars. So how do we do that? Anything that has to do with the widget we drop, any editing, the shape, the color should be done from style. So size, as you can see, this is better this way. Spacing, this is better this way. Awesome. So here I said we'll be adding something like amount of bags we've sold. Let me see counts. Let me add counter. This counter, let me see if it's what I need. Oh, great. So cool title, cool number. Let me put sold so far. Bags sold so far. That's let's say 28 bags sold so far. That's great. So now next thing is to edit this color, this 28. Click on style, like I said, but this time around I won't want it to be black. Let me look at this red, the color code for this particular red. Style, let me copy the color code this way. So that's what I'll be needing here, just the color code alone. Yeah, then this black, let me copy this black, the black for customers review. Let me copy the black, the not so black. So title, as you can see, I edited the number, color and text here. You can edit the text, that's the typography, the size, whatever it is you want, you understand. So but I won't be touching it. It's nothing so serious. You can change the fonts here. Let me see our user font, Roboto Condensed. Okay, no, let me use the ordinary Roboto. Is it Roboto or Roboto? Okay, so now this back so far I'll be editing it. That should be from title, then the color, pastes. Yeah, so the typography, I can decide to change the font size this way. Let me just use 25. Then I can decide to bolden it with weight. As you can see, I can decide to change this to, I think we're using Roboto. This way. Is this Roboto? Let me see. It's still the same thing. So guys, let me center align them. Middle. Is it making sense? I'm very sure it's making sense. So let's update. So that has fulfilled this number 11 item, customer testimonials and reviews. So it could be pictures, people's comments or anything, but I'm just using this. You can also use it as well, at least to beautify your page. 28 bags sold so far. If anybody sees this, they believe people are buying. Of course people are buying. Customers review. So let's proceed. The next thing is restate price. We have to restate the price again. and create a sense of urgency. So I already have what I want to type as restating the price and creating a sense of urgency. Urgency. Sorry. So this text here says, get this offer at a discounted price of 28,500 today. Offer only lasts for 24 hours. Order now. This is like a sense of urgency and a FOMO. Also clock countdown. Their sense of urgency and FOMO. FOMO means fear of missing out. It's a way to get people to react, to take action quickly. So like 24 hours promo price and all of those. So I'll be including this 12 and 13 together, restate price and sense of urgency. So now get this offer. I'll just copy this. This is why I said you should make sure you have every of your text already typed out. Have them already typed out. So I'm adding a structure first. Then I'll be adding should I use a text editor? No. Let me use a text editor. So drag and drop. So as you practice product sales page building with Elementor, as you play around Elementor, you get to learn so many things on your own. You get to learn so many things on your own. So many things. So it's very important you find time to play around it. I think I'll be using this text editor. Is going to give me a little bit of problem. Let me use heading. Then I'll have to copy them one after the other. Copy, paste. Let me add another heading beneath it. Everything under the same section. As you can see, this is a section. I'm adding 2 elements within a section. The same thing here. This is a section with 2 columns. So it depends on whatever it is you want to achieve. If you decide to use 3 columns, probably you have 3 things you want to add in 3 different columns. So that's just it, guys. So here, let me copy. Offer only lasts for 24 hours. Copy, then paste. So let's align to the middle. Align to the middle this way. Then we edit the text. Let's edit the text. What is our usual text that we use? Our normal usual text. Let me edit it from scratch. So we can say but let me do the background first, so as to make this particular section of the page visible. Let me change the background to first. I'm dealing with the section background now. The section background covers for the elements within the section, so it's better to, you can actually change the background for the column itself, just the column alone, or the element itself, but for the section it covers for the column, the element, everything. It fills it up. So click on this, then go to style, come to background. Under background, click on this brush, classic brush, then add the background. I think, let me add no, not this background. I don't want it to be a kind of color riot. I think this is good. This is kind of brown. This is good. So now I have the background dealt with already. So the text color style. So to edit the text, you always click on this pen, style, then this just is straight white. White should be good. White. white should be good. Then the other one, click on the pen as well, style, change to white. Which white did I choose for this? Yeah, same white. So should we change the fonts to Roboto Condensed? Let's leave it like this. But let's change the font size to, let's say 30. No, that is 40 is good. Let's make this 40 as well. 40 is good. 40 is good. So guys, I just thought of something now. I want to highlight this 2850 naira, and I want to be able, this is one thing about using text, using headings. You won't be able to edit the color independently, except you edit the color from your typo, from your typography like this. So, and for you to edit the color from text color rather, for you to edit the color, you won't be able to edit a word independently, like this 28,005 that I want to edit now. I won't be able to edit it. It will affect the whole text. So this is one advantage text editor would always have over heading. So now guys, I would be adding text editors in order for me to be able to achieve what I desire. So I'll drag this text editor now. Let me place it at the top like this. So I'll copy this text from here. I'll paste as text editor so I can be able to achieve what it is I want to achieve. I'll paste here like this, paste as text. Can you see? So I want to change this one to, I want it to be yellow. Yellow should be good. Then you come to, you highlight on it like this. Then you come to this place, text color. Click on it. Then you can change to yellow, whatever color you like. You see? Can you see? So this color now, I can independently change color under text editor. I can independently change color for every word. For every of the words, I can change the colors. So now, let me see if I can apply the styles, so I can have exactly like, can you see guys? Can you see? So let me change the color. Only the color is not affected. I want to change this, get this offer to white. So go to style. That's great. That's great. Content. So guys, in case you're having this kind of issue, too much of gap beneath the text, you can just click on the pen like this, come to content, then here come to text like this. Come to text. Let's see. Can you see it? You just come to text, you click on down. Let me remove this first. I don't need this anymore. Can you now see it, guys? Can you see it? Get this offer at discounted price of 20,005 today. Offer lasts for 24 hours. This 24 hours, I would have even loved it to be red. 24 hours red. So it depends on your creativity, guys. It depends on your creativity. Let me just do it. Let me do it. This is an opportunity for me to show you guys how to develop a beautiful sales page. Not just beautiful, but make sure it's converting. Copy as text like this, paste. 24 hours. Let me change to red. Text color red. Yes. Order now should be green. Green is less good here. No, let me leave it as white since it has been capitalized. So let me just copy, then let me paste the style, or let me use this. Copy, paste style. Oh, this is great. This is great, guys. I'm loving this. So to remove this the space beneath, click on the pen. Like I said, come to content, click on text. Right beside this, just click on down like this. As you can see, just on your keyboard, just hit on the down arrow button, as you can see. So let's update the work so far and let's view how it looks like. Can you see, guys? Let's proceed quickly. So clock countdown, mode of delivery, order notice. No, I don't even need this now. The clock countdown, come to widgets, just type time. Let's see, clock countdown, this is it. Drag like this, drop here. As you can see, that is it. Type, leave it. Content setting, click on content setting, display days, remove. Okay, depends if since we said it's 24 hours, remove days. But if you're including 5 days, if you know it's the offer will last for a week, just leave days. Timer setting, you set when you want it to expire. Today's 23rd October 2022. I can say 28. Then days will change, everything would change. You see, 5 days, 21 hours, 35 minutes, you understand, 40 seconds. But since I've said 24 hours, then I'll have to remove the days. I just have to remove the days. Then it has to be like this, within 24 hours. 24 hours. Then come to content setting, remove days like this, remove this, then every other thing you can just look through this place and do the necessary addition or minus you wish to do. So that's it, guys. Expiration action, what you want the clock to do or the countdown timer to do once it expires, message, redirection link, everything. So don't worry, guys, as you make use of this page builder, you learn a lot. You definitely learn a lot. So let's go to styles. From styles we can edit the text of the clock, the text, the color, everything how we want it to be. Use gradient color, box background color, space between boxes. You can see. So let me remove it. Space between container, you can see. So let me remove it. So we can pad it. This padding would make it come closer together. So let me remove this link. I already explained about this link. Let me remove this link. I'll be padding from left and right. Let me say 100. Let me view. You can see the way it looks like now. Let me pad it more. Let me put 300. No, I think I made a mistake somewhere. 300. No, it's ought to be centered. Let me remove the alignments. Let's see. Oh, okay. I think it's good this way. Let's just leave it. I think I saw something like separator the other time. Countdown separator. Yes, this separator is good, as you can see, guys, as you can see. So let's go back to style. From style, color and typography, this way we can change the color, the clock countdown color. Let's leave it at yellow. The typography is where we change the sizes. So we can change the size like this. I think it's okay this way. Let's say 60. The time should be bold so they can see that the time is going. 70 is good. It's good this way. It's good. I think that's all for that, for the timer. So let's update our work so far. It's good this way. Then the next thing is mode of delivery. Here let's just add a text, add another structure, add heading like this. Then let's center it. The mode of delivery is free delivery for the first 10 orders nationwide. It's free delivery. Paste. Let me see. Align to the center. Then style. Let's edit the styling. The text color. Let's see. This is good. This is good. This is good. This is good. Click on it. This is good. So let's go to typography to let's not even tamper with the font anymore. I think this one is good for the later parts of the page. This new font is good. You know, we began the page with Roboto condensed, so we are just leaving it at Roboto now. Let's not change it. Let's leave it this way. So let's just change the styles, the size to 40. I think 40 is good. Free delivery, 40 is good. So if you think these things are too close, these sections are too close, this one is too close to this section, you can space it by using the margin. So you click on this edit section like this, come to advanced settings, then top, unlink it first, then top, you can just add 30. Can you see it? Can you see? It has been spaced. So maybe at any point, if you think anything is too close, sections are too close, you can just go to advanced settings, do the margin settings. I've spoken about margin and padding in the previous video about navigating your way through Elementor. So it's actually not a big deal. So free delivery for the first 10 orders nationwide. That's our mode of delivery. Then the next one is pay on delivery. I think I have an image for this. I'll be using an image. So, and the image will be right inside this section. I want them to be together. So I'll be adding an element which is no, let me add another structure, because I would want the image to be centered, not too big. And the structure I'll be adding here should be 5 column structure, because I want the picture to be not too big, to be moderate, or probably I use 2. Okay, let me add the picture first. Let me drag the picture here, images like this, then click on it, add the picture. I have a pay on delivery picture. This is it. Insert. I think it's a bit small. Let me remove a column. Delete this one. It's getting bigger. Let me remove this one to make it 3 column section. Oh, it's okay this way. It's actually okay this way. It's okay this way. It's okay this way. Updates. Updates. As those guys would say, updates, updates, updates. So other notice. So this notice I've already explained while I was talking about how to build the product landing page. Other notice could be the extra fee you want them to incur before you send it, or any other info or message you just wish to pass to them which has not been included in the um in the um in the beginning of the sales page. So you might have any other thing, any other information to add to it, any other message, any other stamps of agreement, anything, you can add them under this order notice. So this is what I have typed in my own case. This is what I have typed in my own case. I say because we spend a lot of money on logistics and delivery across states. Why is it like this? Let me just copy across states this way. My margin, I don't know what's wrong with this margin. I don't know why the audience, but anyways, so this is the notice I want to share with them. I'll add another structure, then it's going to be an heading. I want it to be an heading. As usual, center line, then paste here. Paste here. Paste here. Let me remove this one. Oh God. So yeah, let me copy and paste again. Copy. I'll have to do them one by one. Paste, center. Then let me add another heading for the other one. This other one here. Copy, center line, paste. Because you spend a lot of years, you have to let them know so they don't toy with your order form. So okay, the styles like this. Let's work on the styles, and at this point we have to come back to our normal Roboto condensed. Yes, this should be, what color can we make this? No, let's not make this red. Let's make this it's just like to create an awareness. Let's use one color for this and we use another color for this. Typography, let's make this 40. No, 40 is too much. 20, 25 is okay. That one, 25 is okay. Yes, let me copy the style. I'll just do manual editing. Paste style. So what I'll do is, let me change the color. This one is very important. Let me change this one to red. This is the very vital information. Please do not fill the form. You have to make it red. Danger, don't go there, don't go there, danger. It's funny though. It's funny. Please do not fill the form if you don't have the money to procure this item. Yes, 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 yes. They shouldn't just touch it. Please and please, thanks. So that's the information I want to pass to them before they place an order. So yeah, it says call to action again, which is going to be the WhatsApp button. So this WhatsApp button is not necessary you have it twice on your page. You can either have it here or have it here. You can have it here. Let me add the structure. Let me add the button. You guys would notice I'm faster now. Yes, I'm faster because I know by now you should understand some things, and if not, you can always pause the video and go back. So I've added a button for the WhatsApp. I've copied. Let me copy it again for you to see. I want to copy it. Copy. Then I'll paste the style. I don't need to start editing the button again. Paste like this. Paste style. Click here. Another thing I just have to do is the text. Let me see. Or better still, I can copy the O button. Copy the O button like this. Then click on this place. Just paste. As you can see. Then let me remove this one. Can you see that, guys? Can you see that? Can you see that? Update first. Then this is the point where I'll be adding the form. So let me see how far this video has gone. This is 42 minutes, and the form is the very last part of the landing page creation. But guys, let me just pause the video here so you guys can just master this, and I'll be creating another video and that would walk us through how to add a form to this page. I don't want this video to be too long, unnecessarily long. It has been in 3 parts already, just for us to capture the details about building a product sales page. So that'll be all for now, guys.